Hello and welcome, YouTubers. Well, this is a little short tutorial, or I'm going to try to make it short anyway. It's for the virtual PC console. Now I already have Windows 98, Windows XP installed for the virtual machine. I have Windows 7. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started, because I'm going to act like I'm going to try to put Windows 95 on here. But this is just to give you an idea how to go ahead and get it installed and stuff. Now I'm not going to install it where it says click finish, but anyway, I'm just going to go through this little process to show you the basics. So anyway, you want to go over here to my bad. What you want to do is go ahead and download it, the download center, the virtual PC 2007. The description right here, you can type it because it should be zoomed in now. Anyway, but you can also look down below, and I'll have it in the link in the description to go straight to this website. Be a little easier. Just copy and paste it. You'll want to, like, say here's the description. This is a little tutorial, two little tutorials. So this is how you copy and paste if you don't know how. You'll go up, say the description's right here and the link is right here. Okay, what you want to do is just left click your mouse at the end of your words or letters, whatever is right here. Left click and then drag it all the way over. Let go of the left mouse button, and then while you're still in there, while it's highlighted blue or whatever color you have it set, right click your mouse in there, go to where it says copy, left click, copy, and when you open a new browser, you'll go back into your web address bar. Sorry. Yeah, anyway, go right in here, right click, scroll down. Now if yours has the option of paste and go, then that's fine, but your basic is paste, so left click that and then hit the search button or enter on your keyboard. Usually that works, and voila, there you go. Alright, anyway, let's get started on the program, how to do this here. Okay, what you're going to do after you download the program, you'll install it, go through the process, which I'm not going to do all that. Anyway, go to click new. This will pop up right here. Welcome to the new virtual machine, which I'm not going to read all this. You can kind of get the idea, or you can sit here and read it because I'll zoom in here. You'll go down here, click next, and what you want to do, create a virtual machine. So this, you don't want these two. I haven't. See, I'm new to this virtual machine. I just downloaded it the other day, so I'm still learning it. But these two right here, I'm not gonna mess with. So anyway, this is what I learned on other people's tutorials. Create a virtual machine. Go down to next. Now right here, you can name it. Like say I'm gonna put okay, Windows 95. What I talked about. Win95. That's all I'm gonna put. I'm not going to worry about the browse, put location, because it automatically does it, obviously. Okay, now click next. Alright, now it's other, because it's 98 is the only one I see in there, but I don't see 95, so we're just going to keep it as other. Then it should pop up for the memory. Next. Okay, now you want to change this right here, adjusting the RAM. So this is where you want to be adjusting the RAM here. So click that one, tick the little dot there, little whatever you want to call it. Anyway, you can set the RAM for this virtual machine. Okay, now say if I want instead of 128 megabytes, I would like to run, say 256. I'd rather run 256. Okay. So say I want to run, well, if I can get to it. Kind of tricky. There we go. 256 megabytes. Alright, you'll want to go ahead and click next. So it says recommended RAM 128 megabytes. So let's go ahead and keep it at 128 since it says recommended. But like with my XP up here, I think I got like 1 gig running, and Windows 98 I got 512. Or no, 1 gig, and that's 2. Let's go ahead and see what Windows 98's memory is. Okay, that one I basically need to drop that down to like, I'm gonna say 512. This is how you do it when you go in your setting for that, so you know. Uh-oh. Kind of time consuming. Hold on, be right back. Okay, sorry about that. It takes a little time to get this just exactly right. But anyway, say I want to drop it down to 512. So that's where I'm at on here. Okay, now I had this highlighted. So like Windows XP, I can click that and click settings, and you can see I got 1 gig for, 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte for the memory. So I set it there. Good enough. Alright, anyway, let's get back down here. As you can see, I set it for 256 megabyte. Now I'm going to click next. Just remember, adjusting the RAM. You want to adjust the RAM for it. Alright, now an existing virtual hard disk or a new virtual hard disk. Now we don't want to use it. I don't think it was this one. Let me see. Yeah, we don't want that one. So let's go back. Alright, anyway, click on a new virtual hard disk. That's what you want there. You're going to click on next. This is where you want to put your operating system. Right here it's already highlighted and everything. As you can see, documents, my virtual machines, win95, hard disk, and it makes that VHD. Anyway, once you're finished here, you can go ahead and click next, or virtual hard disk size. Depending on how big, if you have a big hard drive, you can adjust this if you know what you're doing. I'm not going to mess with that. Anyway, I'm going to click next, and once you click finish, voila, you'll be finished. Name, Windows 95, memory 256, and your virtual hard disk. Anyway, yeah, so that's how you do that, and hope this, sorry it wasn't too short of a tutorial. So anyway, let me know what you think and leave some comments below, and I will have the description of that link for where to go ahead and download the Virtual PC console, Virtual PC 2007. And it does work. I guess obviously it works on Windows 7, so mine's a 64-bit, but it came up some kind of thing up here in a box. Might have problems or something, I don't remember, but anyway, it went ahead and installed, so everything looks fine. Alright, so if you have any questions or whatever for me, go ahead and send me a message, let me know, or let me know what you think, and leave some comments. And thank you for watching, and bye-bye.